And now we have some breaking news coming in from Maharashtra. Now, top Shinde Sena sources have told CNN News 18 about the upcoming Maharashtra poll strategy. Now, Shinde Sena is likely to announce their candidates next month. And in fact, we are also learning that Shinde Sena is likely to contest on close to 100 seats. And Eknath Shinde, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, is likely to be the face of the Mahayuti in the upcoming state polls. So these are the latest details as far as the upcoming elections in Maharashtra is concerned. And CNN News 18's Payal Mehta is joining us with more details on this. Payal, we're learning that Shinde Sena is likely to contest on close to 100 seats. So what about the alliance with the BJP?
Well, the details will definitely come forth as far as the alliance and the seat sharing is really concerned. But as of now, Shinde Sena is very confident that they should be allowed to contest close to 100 seats. And if they're allowed to contest close to 100 seats, they're extremely confident that out of that, they're able to go. They're going to be able to win at least 75. That's what their confidence really says. But given the fact that early seat declaration has yielded good results as far as the BJP is really concerned, taking a lead from that, the Shinde Sena has decided that they will be in fact want to declare the seats early as well. So what we're given to understand that possibly by the month of August, sometime mid-August, they'll be able to declare the seats for the upcoming elections, which is likely to take place, end of October is what we're given to understand. So obviously the Shiv Sena is very, very well prepared. They do understand that the Uddhav-led faction is going to be after them, is going to be breathing down their neck as far as this election is really concerned. So there's a lot for Eknath Shinde to really prove, given the fact that this is going to be his first full-fledged election in the state of Maharashtra after having joined the alliance with the BJP just sometime mid the last election as well. So all hands on the deck as far as the Shiv Sena is really concerned. And what we're given to understand that they have come to an agreement, that the entire Mahayuti has come to an agreement that Eknath Shinde will continue to be their face for the upcoming elections.
All right, Payal, thank you so much for getting us all those details on the upcoming Maharashtra polls. With that, we're now slipping into a very short break. We'll be right back.